What's good, what's good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video we having a live trade video. It's very simple concept, it's nothing too crazy, it's the supply and demand trading strategy, yeah? Let me just make a quick analysis right here, yeah? So that's our supply area, and yeah, that's the pre-analysis that I did, how I'm gonna react to the market and what's gonna be. So that's why I said this is gonna be the target. And also I was saying the price action gonna come up, hit this supply area or demand, whatever you can call it, push down, then retrace a little bit. I'm gonna take a sell. That's what I did, and right now we are kind of ranging at the break-even area. We will see how this price action will eventually work and what's gonna be the result. Just make sure you're gonna stay to the end and see the results of this video. But for now, guys, like it, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned. Guys, just a small update, yeah? This was a profitable trade, yeah, very beautiful trade. It hit the TP and went even lower. Sometime a lot of people will say I should keep it for longer, but hey, it is what it is. Let's just make a quick recap, yeah? Here we was the supply area, the price action took this low, then it came back here, touch it, came down, show us evidence that he wants to sell off, range here for a few candles, yeah, and from here just move all the way down, yeah. We took the profit right here, how you could see. We took for 2 hours 2.2 or something like that, 2.1. So it was a beautiful trade. And yeah, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.